Hey guys, I know I haven't posted a new video in a while. Moved to the new house and all the motorcycles and toys are still at the parents'. So in this video, I got this ugly garage floor. I'll be installing some new RaceDeck garage floor tiles. I want to make the garage all pretty before I move the new bikes over. As you can see here, you got the RaceDeck tiles. I'm going to do a two-tone black and gray. Got the lips here to go for the edges of the garage. So I'll be installing these today. I got these on sale. They were like 38% off on the RaceDeck website. So I'm gonna get to installing these, show you before and after. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I made a very simple, stupid mistake. It was going so easy at first, I just kept going until I got to the very last corner and I noticed the corners had a little prong stick up, and then I noticed once I got here I couldn't attach the last few tiles. Then I watch the video on their website, so I won't have a perfectly squared edges around all the garage. I have to go the direction of the loops on the tile. So here on the tile I gotta follow the loops all the way around. So I'll start at the bottom of the garage and work my way up. I'm just gonna have to get a saw and cut these edges off to make it flat. Otherwise, they don't snap in place. So I'm glad I caught it now before I started doing too much. All my tools are still at my other house. They're at my parents'. So my buddy's gonna come over and bring a little Dremel or something to cut the edges off these, and I gotta lift up everything I've done so far, and I'm just gonna start from scratch and do it the right way. So it's hella hot. It's like 85 degrees and I'm in the garage. So once my friend gets here, I'm just gonna start over. So stay tuned and learn from my mistakes. This is how you don't do it. All right, guys, my buddy Kyle just showed up. He brought some tools because mine are still at the parents'. He's camera shy. Say hey, Kyle. There's Kyle. All right, so now we're gonna finish working on this garage now that I tore it all back up and starting over from scratch, but this time we'll do it the right way. All right, let's get to it. All right. Me and Kyle were able to finish the garage. And let me show you the after and how it looks now.